Hello beautiful hearts, welcome to Try and Test Lab.
In today's episode, we are gonna test this hack of cleaning silver utensils in just minutes by using soda, that is baking soda, salt, aluminium foil and hot water. So let's see how efficient this trick works. First, let's try to just dip it into the water and see if it really works. Okay, to some extent, yes. With this, I can say that this method works for articles with slight discoloration and a little bit of stains. But if it is a stubborn stained articles like this one, I think we'll need to dip it in boiling water for a little more longer and see if it really removes the stain. Weak stains have vanished, however, there are no changes in stubborn stains.
As per the actual cleaning technique, we should just keep the silver articles dipped in the hot water mixture for some time and it comes out sparkling and stainless. Well, in fact, that was not so easy. If the tarnish and stain is weak and light, it will definitely vanish in a dip. If they are stubborn, then they have to take a deep dip and a soak. Just a little scrubbing is enough for plain articles. However, silver items with minute details, carvings need scrubbing with a brush. If you want your silver items to be scratch free, then I will definitely not recommend this cleaning technique. This will spoil them. I was actually waiting to see if the stains magically disappears by just immersing articles in this water. But it did not work out completely. I just wasted my time. Scrubbing them worked wonders. Overall, this cleaning hack makes our work easy and I'll give it a thumbs up. Now that we have tried and tested this hack, use the suitable technique and save your time and effort. If you liked this video, then definitely give us a thumbs up. Please do share this video if you think it's useful for others. Subscribe to our channel Review Revealer for more such review videos. Thanks a lot for watching. Be happy, be beautiful. Bye.